Friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how can we turn on silent mode in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to on guys your silent mode in your Redmi phone, so when you can on it. And friends, now let's see how to turn on silent mode in our Redmi phone. Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to turn on guys silent mode and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here guys and guys scroll again guys, you can see sound mode setting as tap here guys, you can see your silent setting. You can see call and notification will be silent, means to guys tap here guys, your silent mode will on in your Redmi phone guys. So like that guys, you can turn on your silent mode in your Redmi phone, so your silent mode will on in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet a next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video.